Over 40 acres in northeast Indiana are waiting for you. Homestead with pond, pole building, tillable cropland, and personal property. Metzger Property Services presents these 43 acres in Allen County, Indiana, selling at auction Saturday, May 11th. Property will be offered in 2 tracts and the entirety. Tract 1 is 4 acres in size and includes home with 3 to 4 bedrooms, which are split between the main level and upstairs. The 1-bath home also features a sunroom and 2-car attached garage. The steel frame pole building on Tract 1 is 80 by 40, has concrete floors and 3 overhead doors. The gorgeous pond on Tract 1 has a pier, ready for summertime and outdoor recreation. Tract 2 is 39 acres of tillable cropland with a soil index of 137.6. Personal property to be auctioned includes appliances, furniture, antiques, and primitives. Also, a 2006 Ford Escape, a 2001 Chevy truck, plus golf cart, aluminum john boat, mowers, implements, as well as a variety of shop tools and garage accessories. To see this opportunity firsthand, visit the open house Sunday afternoon, May 5th from 1 to 2 o'clock. This magnificent 43-acre country homestead with beautiful pond, large pole barn, and tremendous selection of personal property will sell at auction Saturday morning, May 11th, beginning with real estate selling at 10 o'clock. Auction will be held on site 11906 Bryie Road, Churubusco, Indiana 46723. To find out more, call Tim Holmes 260-580-5473 or visit the Metzger Auction Services website, MetzgerAuction.com.